Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? Today I'm going to give you a quick start guide on how to start a toy store online. The toy industry has experienced steady growth year over year, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. If you're looking to make some money and make a difference in a kid's life, you should consider starting an online toy store. Break down the stats for you. The average child around the world gets $1,000 worth of toys each year until they become teenagers. Globally, the toy market is expected to reach $25 billion by 2025. And new technology in toys is the driving force behind all this demand. You can buy a lot of wholesale toys in bulk for as low as $2 and resell them online for $15 or more. So where's your piece of this pie? Parents, aunties, uncles, they're all looking for reliable companies to buy their kids' toys from. And that's where you come in. So how do you get started? Let's jump right in. So there are two methods to start this kind of business. You can set it up as a drop shipping store where someone else is responsible for shipping all the toys to your customers, or you can buy, store, and ship out your own inventory from your own warehouse. Once you choose a method, you can now proceed to step one. If you have no idea how a toy store operates, or you're a first-time online business owner, I recommend getting a business plan from Fiverr. What they'll do is create a custom business plan that outlines exactly how your business is supposed to work and what you should expect. So whether you choose to use the drop shipping method or to buy and hold your own inventory, the supplier research process is still exactly the same. You're going to need to find a toy supplier to get all the products from at a discount. So if you want to get started right away and you don't have a lot of money to buy inventory, you'll want to head over to Google and type in these words: drop ship kids toys. This will give you access to thousands of products to sell in your online store right away without actually needing to buy any of them. If you do have some money and you want to manage your own toy inventory and keep all of the products in your own warehouse to ship out, just Google the words wholesale kids toys. And as you can see, the listings are actually going to change on Google, and from here you can find a company to buy in bulk from. Now, when you've got all this sorted, it's time to officially register your business. You won't be able to buy wholesale toys or even work with a toy drop shipping supplier until you complete this step. You'll need to register and apply for a federal EIN number and form an LLC or corporation. And depending on what state you're in, you'll likely also need what we call a reseller or a retail merchant certificate as well. This is going to allow you to buy all the toy products tax-free. I recommend that you use my corporation, as they do have a really wide variety of packages to choose from, but you can just choose their most basic package. That one's gonna get you started right away. Now, since you're going to be getting all of this money, you're gonna need somewhere to put it. It's pretty easy to open a business bank account, but they won't actually get you set up without having that legal incorporation paperwork and the EIN number that I just spoke about. You can work with a bank that you're already using, or feel free to just choose a new one. If you haven't heard of Square, they have a business banking department that can get you set up right away with a checking account, and it's online. And the best thing about it, it's absolutely free. The next step in this process is to go ahead and buy web hosting. So you can use any provider that you're familiar with, and I know that there's a lot of providers out there, but I recommend choosing Bluehost because they are the most reliable, in my opinion, for e-commerce stores and startup websites. You can get a free domain, a free SSL certificate, and access to 24/7 tech support, so you really can't beat it. Once you pay for your plan with Bluehost, they'll send you your login credentials. You want to save that information and then deliver it to the website designer in the next step. If you don't know about Fiverr, it's a company that sells affordable website development and marketing services that get done really, really quick. All you need to do is type in what you want in the search bar, and it will reveal a ton of people who are willing to help you get your website set up in less than 3 days. I would highly recommend that you make a list of toy websites that you really like and then send those to the website designer to get a quote. So once you choose the person that you want to work with, go ahead and give them the Bluehost details and then communicate your vision and your plans for the website. So while they're working on your new website, you'll need to activate what we call a merchant account for your customers to actually pay you through. So many businesses choose PayPal, Square, or Stripe. Again, I personally like Square. They make it super easy for me to accept payments online, via email, on my website, and I can even accept payments over the phone. The account with Square is absolutely free. So once you sign up, give these details to the website designer to complete the payment integration process. Finally, you'll need to start spreading the word about your business. A good place to start is to go ahead and get a logo, business cards, and some online marketing materials created. For this, I've got 3 resources for you. You can choose what fits your budget and what fits your timeline. For branding, I recommend using 99 Designs because their process is quick, simple, and they'll actually give you what you want. There's another company that's called Envato. They have tons of graphics and flyers for each and every single kind of business. And then there's Canva Pro, which is a graphic design tool for beginners, and it comes with tons of templates. So you can create your own logos and your own marketing materials on the go. Okay, so now that you're all set up, how will you actually make money? Here's what you need to know in order to take a check to the bank. Since you now own a toy store business, you can choose from a variety of items to sell. Can you guess which ones are the most popular and the most profitable? Here they are. Video games, dolls, action figures, learning games, and building blocks. To bring in some extra cash, you can also start selling scooters, sports equipment, and even water toys. Now, I know what you're probably wondering. What's the price tag on this baby? Startup costs for this kind of business using the dropship method are usually anywhere from around $700 to $2,000 on average. But if you're planning to fund your own inventory, please be prepared to drop the big bucks. If you like this business idea and you want to know where to get all of the products from and the toys at a discounted price, the link to the vendor list is at the bottom of this video. I'm also giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. If I can help you in any way, please let me know. And if you have a minute today, leave me a comment on this video. Each and every single comment helps boost the video up in the YouTube search results. And if you know someone who's thinking about starting a business and you think this is a good idea for them to see, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.